Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Samsung voice recorder. Following that, install this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. Now tap on this red button to start your recording. Then choose while using the app or only this time. As you can see, in this pop-up you need to select Unblock to use voice recorder. If you wish to pause or unpause your recording, tap on the same red button. In order to delete it right away, pause it and tap on this left one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to add a bookmark, unpause your recording and tap on this left pen icon. Now you can type in wherever you wish to and tap on OK. You can also just select OK. Now click on this check mark to end and save your recording. Finally, hit save at the top right corner. And as you can see, mine is over here. In order to play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it though, hold it, click on this icon next to the bin or tap on those three dots. Then select rename option and type in wherever you wish to. Finally, click on OK. In order to get rid of your recording, you can hold it and tap on this bin icon or tap on those three dots, again, and choose delete at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!